Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today I am here with the contents of thalamus. The thalamus is a small structure within the brain which is ideally situated at the core of the diencephalon, deep to the cerebral cortices and conveniently act as the central hub. Parts: anterior, medial and lateral thalami, interthalamic adhesion, internal and external medullary laminae, medial and lateral geniculate bodies. Let me see what are the relations of thalamus. The thalamus is anteriorly related to interventricular foramen of Monro and internal cerebral vein, and it is medially related to the third ventricle. It is posteriorly related to striae terminalis, choroid plexus of the third ventricle, body of the fornix, internal cerebral vein, superior thalamostriate vein, caudate nucleus, internal capsule, corpora quadrigemini and splenium of corpus callosum, and also it is inferiorly related to the hypothalamus, cerebral aqueduct and tegmentum. Regarding nuclei, the ventral group: anterior, lateral, posterior, medial, posterior, lateral nuclei, and medial group: median, medial dorsal, medial nuclei, and geniculate bodies: medial, lateral nuclei, anterior and reticular nuclei. What about the arterial supply of thalamus? The primary blood supply of the thalamus is from the posterior cerebral artery. Contributing branches from the posterior communicating artery also supply the thalamus after passing through the posterior perforated substances. These arteries arise from the vertebrobasilar arterial system, which anastomoses indirectly with the carotid artery by the way of the circle of Willis. Let's discuss what are the clinical aspects of thalamus. Due to the location of the thalamus, any lesion or insult to the organ will impact adjacent structures. However, most insults to the thalamus are ischemic in nature. The cause of the ischemia may either be iatrogenic, that is caused during a therapeutic procedure, or due to the vascular compromise, that is either thrombotic or hemorrhagic. If this damage impedes the VPM or VPL nuclei, all contralateral sensory inputs would be lost. Vascular accidents of the thalamus can also produce ataxic chorioathetosis, that is uncoordinated involuntary movement. Thalamic pain, where the thalamus overreacts to the pain impulses from the contralateral side, has been observed subsequent to the thalamic infarct. So I have a question for you today. What are the general symptoms of a thalamic stroke? Hope for your reply. Thank you. Have a nice day.